How to sign up on Disney Plus. Now, the reason why I'm currently showing you off uh, the web version of Disney Plus is if you will be downloading directly the application from Play Store or any app store available on your end, you will still be redirected to access Disney Plus web version to create and to subscribe on any of their subscriptions available or plans. So on your end, just simply open up any preferred web browser before downloading the app. Just head straight into apps.disneyplus.com official page. Once you're here, just simply click on this option here that says subscribe now, and then you will be redirected to sign up to continue. Now enter your available mobile number and then just simply change the area code if this is not the area code that you're using. Now, once you've successfully created an account, that's the time that you can download the application and choose your preferred subscription. Ensure that if you're going to be using your debit card or any e-wallet available on your end, make sure that there is sufficient fund for you to pay the subscription that you choose. And that's basically it. That's how easy and quick you can sign up or create an account with Disney Plus.